As you all know, I brought a good news. Have you heard? Kuoro by Honorable Ambassador Sunday Dike just dropped. I'm so super excited. Wow. See, I'm just chilling and I came across this song Kuoro by Honorable Ambassador Sunday Dike, and I was informed that is his most recent release. And the good thing there, the most exciting part of the news is that he featured some Bongo music celebrities. We have Chimuanya, Ayakata, Bongo.
Honorable Ambassador Sunday Dike Chimuanya all the camera and be you will know one day the man go show me magic
he was featured in the song. Then we have Ikenna boy Awusa was also featured in the song.
What can I
and we have Holy Man there. He was also featured in the song. And this song has about 4 tracks, very powerful tracks. Ekwe is one of them. Ekwe is also one of them. Ekwe is one of them. And then we're in but it's one of them. So please remember, the song is available for streaming on all streaming platforms. You can also buy it. Yeah, you can buy it. You can stream, share. Please, most importantly, stream the song, share the song, share everywhere, so that all your friends, families, in fact, this, oh my God, now have a come back. Yeah, it's time to go, because please go and listen to that song. I tell you, you'll come and thank me later. You see, that song, Kuoro, that album, it's super loaded. I just finished listening to it and I came here to relax and to tell you the exciting news. So guys, God bless you. Peace, okay? One love.